And welcome to Cooking with Curtis. And right now we're going to be working on making some Cuban bread for our Cubano sandwiches that I am going to be making tomorrow. So this is something you got to start the day before if you want this bread, because there is two ways that you're adding the yeast, and you have to have sufficient time to make that work. So we're going to be making our Cuban bread, and to do that we're going to need a half cup of flour, half cup of warm water, and a half teaspoon of instant yeast. So we're going to be mixing that together right now. Okay, and once you get that all mixed together, go ahead and cover it and put it in the fridge. And okay, and we are back making our Cuban bread again. We waited overnight. This Cuban bread starts to do its thing with the yeast. And we'll go ahead and open that up. And look at that. That's exactly what we want to see. Go ahead and give that a mix up. That is not ready to be added yet. So go ahead and take a packet of dry yeast, some sugar, and some warm water. So we got our active dry yeast in there. We got our sugar. We got our warm water. Give that a quick stir. And then we'll wait about 15 minutes to make sure that that yeast is active. It certainly smells yeasty. But yeah, we'll wait for about 15 minutes to make sure that that yeast is active, so we're not wasting the rest of our ingredients. Okay, so our yeast is definitely working. It's active. Can't wait to see just how much bubbles have risen down there, but you can kind of see that. A lot. So to that we're going to add some, actually calls for lard. I don't have lard. I use cooking oil. So that's what I'll be adding. And some salt. Add about a cup of flour. So about a third of this. Mix this up quickly. And we're going to be adding our starter yeast. And most of the flour. I'm supposed to mix this up. So I'm going to mix this up until it comes a little bit firm. Not so doughy, not so sticky and whatnot. Okay. Need this here dough actually, so I'm going to do that. Now you can use a small stand mixer to do this and get this accomplished, but I don't love it, so that's up to you. I'm going to knead this for a bit. Adding flour as needed, as needed. Put in the bowl. Oil on top. Now, let it sit for about 2 hours. Let's see, the dough has risen up quite a bit. So what I'm doing now is taking a little bit of flour, dusting up the work surface. I'm going to push on the bread, push on the dough, and get it down in here. One of the reasons why we're getting it out of here is to deflate it. Another reason why is because we need to form it into some kind of shape to where I can easily split it in half. There we go. And that healthy baby boy here in the background, that is my new son, Jason. And here we go. Gonna take our doughs and get that flattened out. Okay. And then you're gonna take them and roll it up. Okay, and then I'm going to take a flat amount once again because we make sandwiches. I'm going to be transferring it to our baking pan. Right here. Take a knife and score each one. And that allows for the dough to expand and rise. So I just cut a little slit right down the middle. There we go. You're going to let that rise up for about another 2 hours. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours. We'll go ahead and take this off. It's at least doubled in size. And apparently we need to spray it with some water. Don't really know how much water to spray it with, but I gave it a light misting, and I'm going to go ahead and stick it in my... Okay, so we're going to go ahead and look at our bread, and so we'll go ahead and take our bread out of the oven and put them on this rack over here so that it'll cool. Let's see. Our Cuban bread. And that was the Cubano bread, the Cuban bread for our Cubano sandwiches. It turned out really well. The bread was nice and light. It was fluffy. It was crunchy on the outside. It turned out excellent, especially for the first time that I ever made it. So there you go. Like and subscribe. Share my videos, and we'll see you next time.